So this is the J Advanced question, paper 1 2025 on permutations and combination. So you can pause the video to read the question. So now let us solve the question. So the question says that we are given 7-digit numbers which either contain 0 or 1 or 2. So basically we need to find out the numbers in which there are exactly two ones or two zeros or two zeros and two ones. So first we will find out number of 7-digit numbers in which there will be exactly two zeros. So since you know that this place can be occupied only by 1 and 2 and 0 cannot be at this place, because if 0 is at this place then the number will be a 6-digit number. So zeros appearing twice. So it will be in, we'll be choosing two places for 0. So 6C2 multiplied by and on the rest of the places any of 1 or 2 can come. So basically there are two possibilities. If zeros come here and here, then here two possibilities, 2 and so on. So in this way this can be computed as 2 to the power 5, which is equal to 480. So now we will be calculating the numbers in which 1 is appearing twice. Okay, let me raise this. So there will be two parts. First, if 1 is appearing here, 1 like 1 is at this place, then in the remaining 6 there will be one place where 1 will be appearing. So we can choose 6C1 into from the rest of the 5 places there will be two possibilities, either 0 or 2. So 2 to the power 5. And the other one in which here this place is not occupied by 1, this place will also not be occupied by 0 because 0 can't be here, so it will be definitely occupied by 2. Okay, so 1 will be somewhere in these 6 places, so we can choose 6C2, and at the rest of the 4 places any of 0 or 2 can come. So this will be 192 and this will be 240. Now, why there are two cases in case of 1 and not in zeros? Because uh, because of this, that 0 cannot appear here. So this is the sole reason why we have to perform this sub case wise analysis in case of 1 and not in case of 0. Also, there is also another catch. Now we cannot directly add these and get the answer. This is because in these numbers we have calculated those also in which there are two zeros and there are two ones. Also in these numbers as well we have also calculated such number. So we need to deduct those numbers in which there are exactly two zeros and exactly two ones. So we will calculate zeros appearing twice and ones appearing twice. Now again there will be two sub cases. So in one sub case we can have a 1 here, and at the rest of in these 6 places we can have two places for 0, 6 to C2, and in the remaining 4 places we can have one place for the remaining one, and in the rest of the places 2 will come, so we'll not be multiplying it with anything, so this comes out to be 60. And in the other case 1 will not be appearing here, so 0 also cannot appear, so there will be definitely 2 here, and we need to have two places for 1 in this slot only. So 6 choose 2 and 4 choose 2, these are for ones, these are for zeros, and at the remaining places there will be 2, so this comes out to be 90. So we now need to calculate the final answer. So the answer will be given by 480 plus 192 plus 240 minus 60 and minus 90. So this comes out to be 9112 minus 150, 762, which is the correct answer. So I hope you have understood. Thank you.